Welcome my dear students. We learn subject Maths. We learn chapter number 14 Algebraic Formulae Expansion of Squares. Expansion of Squares. Today we learn part number 14.5 Find the value of numbers using expansion formula. Using expansion formula. We learned 4 parts of this chapter, studied 3 formulas in 3 parts. and verify the formulas in fourth number part. म्हणजे आपले 3 भागांमध्ये विस्तार सूत्रांचा अभ्यास केला आणि चौथ्या भागामध्ये फॉर्म्युलांचा पडताळणी करण्यासाठी आपण काही उदाहरणे शिकलेलो आहोत. In today's part we will learn how to do large number squares and large numbers multiplication using the algebraic formula. म्हणजे आजच्या भागात आपण सूत्रांचा उपयोग करून मोठमोठ्या संख्यांचे वर्ग आणि गुणाकार कसे करतात ते पाहूया. स्क्वेअर्स ऑफ नंबर्स 12 स्क्वेअर 144, 26 स्क्वेअर 676, 50 स्क्वेअर 50 into 50 2500. We find squares multiply by numbers. For 107 square, this 3-digit number, we did not find square easily. 5 number 1007, square of 1000 square, we did not find easily the square of these numbers. So easily find square of numbers. To find the square of numbers, a large number, you first need to convert that number into binomial. Let us convert large number into binomial. Question 1. Convert a number to the sum of binomials. Let's see. Convert into two binomials. 100 plus 2. 102 is convert into binomial. 503, 500 plus 3, convert into binomial. 705, near bigger number is 700, so 705 is convert into binomial. 1002, near number, bigger number is 1000, so 1000 plus 2. Fifth number 5004, near bigger number is 5000, so 5000 plus 4. These all numbers convert into binomials. In this way we convert binomials of sum. In question number 2, convert a given number to a binomials of subtraction. म्हणजेच वजाबाकीच्या रूपात रूपांतर करा. First 997, near number is 97, 98, 99 and 100. Near bigger number is 100. So 100 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. 100 minus 3. This is convert into subtraction of binomial. Second, 46. Second 46. 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Bigger number is 50. So we write down binomial 50 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. 50 minus 4 is 46. Convert into binomials, subtraction of binomials. Next 995. 995, 996, 997, 998 and 999 and 1000. Near bigger number is 1000. So 1000 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This number makes binomial, subtraction of binomial. Fourth, 998. Near bigger number is 500. 500 minus 1, 2 minus 2. This is convert into binomial of subtraction. Number 5. 59. 59 near number is 60. 60 minus 1. 60 minus 1 into 59. These all numbers convert into subtraction of binomials. Let us find the values using expansion formulas. विस्तार सूत्रांचा उपयोग करून आपण किमती काढूया. First, square of 51. Square of 51. This number is converted into binomial of addition. Near bigger number is 50. 50 plus 1 square. 50 plus 1 square. So, using formula number 1, expansion of addition binomials using formula number 1, first term square plus 2 into 50 into 1 plus 1 square. This is expansion formula number 1. Expansion formula number 1. We find easily, in this way, easily find square of 51. 50 square 2500. Multiplication of 3 numbers is 100 plus square of 1 is 1. Therefore, add these 3 numbers 2500, 101, 2601. 2601. Square of 51 is 2601. Verify by multiplication. 51 ones are 51. Multiply by 5, 2550. Add these 2 numbers. So, verify by multiplication. Square of 51 is 2601. Using first number formula, second 1003. Near bigger number is 1000. So, convert into addition binomials. 1000 plus 3 square. Using formula number 1, 1000 square. Square of 1000 plus middle term 2 into 1000 into 3 plus square of 3. Find square of 1000 easily. Square of 1000 is write 1. Then count zeros 0, 0, 0 and write double 0. 3 0 we write 6 0. This is square of 1000. Multiply by 2, multiply by 3, 6000 plus square of 3 is 9. These 3 numbers, add these 3 numbers. 10 lakh plus 6000 plus 9. Add these 3 numbers 900, 6001. 10 lakh 6000 9. Square of 1003 is equal to 10 lakh 6000 9. In this way we find square. Third, square of 98. Square of 98. Near number is 100. Near bigger number is 100. 100 minus 2. Minus 2. This is expansion formula. Second number. Use second number formula because this binomial is subtraction binomials. So, use second number formula. square of 100 minus 2 into 100 into 2 plus square of 2. Next step, therefore sign is equal to sign 100 square. Write down 1, 2 0, write 4 0. Square of 100 is 10,000 minus 2 into 100, 200 into 2, 400 plus square of 2 is 4. In the next step, we subtract first two numbers, 10,000 minus 400. First, subtract two numbers. Operation, two numbers given as sequence. Subtraction is 9,600 plus 4. 9,604. Square of 98 is equal to 9,604. Let's find by multiplication 98 square. 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72 plus 78. Then find, multiply by 9, 4 0 6 9. 9,604. Find square of 98 easily using second number expansion formula. Next, 46 square. Square of 46. 46 into 46. First we find by multiply. Add these two numbers. Square of 46 is equal to 2,116. 2,116. Let us find using expansion formula. Find square of 46 using expansion formula. Convert into binomials. 50 minus 4 square. 50 minus 4 using second number expansion formula. First term 50 square minus 2 into 50 into 4. 2 into 50 into 4 plus square 4 square. 50 square 2,500 minus multiplication these three numbers. 52 is 100, 104 is 400 plus 4 square 16. 4 square 16. First, we subtract these two numbers. 2,100 plus 16. 2,116. So in this way, we find two types. Square of 46 is same. Next, thus squares of numbers can be found using expansion formula. Let us see how to easily multiply large numbers using expansion formula number 3. First, 503 into 497. First we find answer by multiply three numbers. 3,521 multiply by 9, 45,270, then multiply by 4, 2,01,200. Add these three numbers. Answer is 2,49,991. Multiplication of these three numbers, 2,49,941. Next, we multiply these two numbers using formula number 3. Let us see how to multiply these two numbers using formula number 3. First, these two numbers convert into binomials, addition of binomials and subtraction of binomials. Then using formula number 3. First term is 500. 500 square, square of 500 minus square of 3. This is formula number 3, expansion formula number 3. Square of 500, 5 square 25. 2 0, we write down 4 0 at square. 3 square 9. 2,50,000 minus 9. 2,50,000 minus 9. Here I subtract these two numbers. 10 minus 9 1, 10 minus 1 9, 10 minus 1 9, 10 minus 1 9, 5 minus 1 4, 2,49,991. In this way answer is same, but this is very easy to multiply using formula number 3. Here did not mistake. We convert binomials then using formula number 3. Next 102 into 98. 102 into 98. These two numbers convert into addition binomials. Next 98 convert into subtraction binomials. 100 minus 2. 100 minus 2, 100 plus 2. We using formula number 3, expansion formula number 3. Square of 100 minus square of 2, square of 2. Then square of 100 is 10,000. 1, 2 0, write down 4 0. This is 10,000 minus square 2 square 4. Subtract these two numbers. 10,000 minus 4. 10 minus 4 6. 10 minus 1 9. 10 minus 1 9. 10 minus 1 9. 1 minus 1 0. 9,996. This is multiplication of these two numbers using formula number 3. This is very easy to multiply these two numbers. Thus, multiplication of large numbers can be done in a simple way using expansion formula number 3. Next, I give homework to practice all this expansion formula. Question number 1. Square the given numbers using expansion formula number 1 and 2. Here I given 10 squares. You find this 10 number squares. First 55 square, square of 55. Second, square of 67. Third, 107 square. Fourth, 506 square. 82 square, square of 82. 402 square. 703 square. These all examples given to you for practice. 990 square. 490 square, and last 10, 1005 square, square of 1005. These all examples write down in your notebook and find square of these numbers. Question number 2. Multiplying the given large numbers using expansion formula number 3. Here I given 5 examples for practice. 402 into 398. 96 into 104. Third, 1003 into 997. Fourth, 198 into 202. Fifth, 697 into 703. Multiply these all numbers. Solve the examples given in the homework in your notebook. In today's part, we have learned how to square and multiply numbers in a simple way using all three expansion formula. Thanks my dear students. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe and study regular.